India has reported a fresh mpox or monkeypox infection from the fast-spreading clade 1b type, making it South Asia's first recorded case from the new strain. This is the same strain of the virus which led to the World Health Organization declaring mpox a public health emergency in August. Last week, the mpox case reported in the Malappuram district of Kerala belonged to clade 1. The patient is a 38-year-old man who has arrived from the UAE. The patient has been admitted to the Government Medical College Hospital in Kerala and his condition is stable as per the Union Health Ministry. The state government is conducting an aggressive contact tracing drive where more than 30 friends and family members of the patient along with 37 passengers on the patient's flight are being monitored at home. However, so far no one of them have shown any mpox symptoms. Starting from 2022, when WHO declared mpox a public health emergency of international concern, India has reported a total of 30 cases, but all those cases involved clade 2. The clade 1b strain has a death rate of 3%, which is significantly higher than the 0.2% death rate of clade 2b. Hence, clade 1b is labelled as the new and potentially deadlier strain of the virus. Clade 1 was seen in the Congo basin, which had less human-to-human spread, but led to a high rate of severe infections and death. Clade 2 was seen in West Africa and had a greater spread, but infections were less severe. The large international surge starting July 2022, primarily driven by sexual contact among men, was due to clade 2b with even lower virulence. This time also, clade 1b is moving from the epicenter of the outbreak in Congo, Africa. In August, Thailand confirmed first case of clade 1b followed by Sweden. How should you spot the infection? The viral infection causes fever, headache, rashes, pus-filled lesions and flu-like symptoms which are usually mild, but in some cases they can be severe as well. According to WHO, mpox can cause a range of symptoms. Common symptoms include a rash which may last for 2 to 4 weeks. The rash looks like blisters or sores and the number of sores can range from 1 to several thousands. According to public health experts, the overall risk for the infection to spread among people in India is low. However, we need to be alert, especially when we are traveling. Let's hear out what experts have to say on this latest news. In short, efforts must focus on containing the spread of mpox and closely monitoring the behavior of this virus.
So you need to be careful in contacting patients with this disease. Patients who have had chickenpox or smallpox earlier might have some degree of resistance towards this virus. So it is a very visible disease. So you can identify patients with this disease much easier. Unlike diseases like influenza and unlike COVID, this disease can be seen from a distance in a patient, so you can identify a patient having pox. In these patients, you will have fever, you will have rashes, you will have body pains, you will have upset stomach, loss of appetite, lethargy, joint and body pains, and a lot of fatigue. And how do we manage these patients? Well, in India right now we do not have direct medications for this virus. So the management is conservative. You treat the symptoms and you give the patient a time to recover. And recovery takes 7 to 10 days for the antibodies in the body to form and another 4 to 5 days for the system to recover. So all in all, it takes about 2 weeks or a little bit more for the patient to come out of this disease.
ये एक वायरल जूनोटिक डिसीज मानी जाती है। इसके जो लक्षण है वो रैश सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इसमें लक्षण पाया जा रहा है कि लोगों को सबसे पहले रैश हो जाता है, उसके बाद बुखार आ जाता है, फिर वायरल जैसी सिम्टम्स होते हैं जैसे कि सिर दर्द होना, बॉडी एक होना, आंखों में जलन होना, आंखें लाल हो जाना, नाक बह जाना। फिर जब ये चीजें नहीं कंट्रोल होती हैं तो कुछ लोगों को इन्फेक्शन भी हो जाता है, निमोनिया भी हो जाता है, ब्रेन में एक तरह की एनसेफेलोपैथी जैसे ब्रेन में मस्तिष्क में सोजिश हो जाना, वो चीजें भी पाई जा रही हैं। तो हमने ये देखना है कि अपने आप को बचा के रखना है, जो लोग बाहर से ट्रैवल करके आ रहे हैं, उनको ये सिम्टम्स हो रहे हैं, तो जल्दी से जल्दी सरकारी डॉक्टर्स को मिलना है। जहाँ पे आइसोलेशन सेंटर्स खोले गए हैं सरकारी हॉस्पिटल में, वहाँ पे अपने आप को भर्ती करवाना है। दूसरी चीज, जैसे कि हमने कोरोना में अपनी रोकथाम की थी, मास्क पहने थे, हैंड हाइजीन अपनाया था, रेस्पिरेटरी हाइजीन को अपनाया था, उसी तरह हमने अपने आप को बचा के रखना है, हैंड हाइजीन मेंटेन करके रखना है। तीसरी चीज, अपना हाइड्रेशन अच्छा रखना है, पानी खूब पीते रहना है। जिन जिन लोगों को ये चीजें हो रही हैं, अस्पताल में अपने डॉक्टर को मिलिए, आइसोलेट करिए, और जो उनके कांटेक्ट में भी आए हुए हैं लोग, वो भी अपनी जांच नियमित रूप से करवाएं।